taken root in the Parasat group of companies. No? Among yun din ka panghinambog, no? Even sa uban, no? Na ay actually kapungutan na sa ako nga mag-join ka ng cooperative or something like that, no? And din na no nga naatay sarili na tong cooperative, no? And this really makes us all proud. We have evolved, no? Natong una sa amo magyud mo dangog ang kada usa sa inyo para maghangyo o mga advances and whatever. And pila na katuig ba ang cooperative karon? 18? 18. So, kung yun, ako yung kayong kausaban, no, sa atong mula na to atong pagsugod sa atong cooperative, no, kay pila na to yung puhunan na to? 20 o 50? Basta mo rin, ingana rin na 20,000 pesos. And now, you know,
Million na.
ako ang inyong financials. 16 million pesos ang value sa atong kooperatiba. And with the cash availability of around 4 million. No? So that really is something we can be proud of. And it is really because of you guys, no? You have made it happen. No? Kami lang nag-initiate, but I'm really proud to say that you made this happen. You have been able to manage yourselves, you know, and fiscalize yourselves so that this cooperative can grow. Ang atong group of companies is steadily growing, no? And in the next few years, madugangan pag yun ni siya because naanadayan siguro ang property group, no? Will have be another wing, no? Ang property group, which will be involving ang pag-develop na yun sa atong uban na mga properties diri in Cagayan, in Opol, in Dahilayan, maybe even Claveria, no? So, also, of course, we have not counted Davao yet. This is also going to be a major investment for our group. And we expect that our cooperative will really have branches na siguro, I mean, you know, because we're growing beyond our borders. And the family is very proud that we have a very good team. All of you are, you know, I guess are doing your best, no? To ensure not only your future but to ensure the future of the business. And that's why we would like, in behalf of the family, we'd like to thank all of you, no, for making this happen. And that we're extremely proud, no, that this has grown. And that it's just a good example of good governance among all of you. And I hope this will continue. I'm also happy that the officers or the leadership of the cooperative has been really diligent in ensuring the continued growth of the Parasat Cooperative. And we're looking forward to maybe targeting in the next 5 years basin 50 million na ng inyo siguro. Ang inyong value. And kay naam kita i-expect na growth, especially that now we already have plans of moving beyond Mindanao, no? Kay nanatay karon, formally I'll tell you that we just acquired the national franchise, national telco franchise, which will mean that there is opportunity for us to grow not just in Cagayan de Oro, Davao, Region 10, but beyond all of this. No? And we're quite excited that this will happen in our lifetime. Kita, mapadako na ito ang atong group. No? Dealing lang siya sa telco, telecommunication and cable TV. It will go beyond that. Na naman ang tourism nato, which is also steadily growing. Ang property na sa dayon ang atong nakita ang opportunity to grow, as well as the hospitality business. Nagtanaw namin karon sa natong masugdan na po ni development sa atong bara property, no? Because nakinala na gid ako sa kabagong hotel that will serve not only the Seven Seas Water Park, but it also cater to more events, no? Kaya namong kita events sa sunod na siguro mga in the next 5 years, dili na mo gamitin diri dito na ta sa atong bagong property dito sa Bara.
Sa hotel, naku bitaw kay nang area. Kato yung leg sulod sa Seven Seas. Left side.
Because we're very confident that we have all of you.
Pagahin na siya.
You know, we have all of you who have been working very hard to make this happen. And we're, you know, as I said earlier, we are extremely proud and we'd like to congratulate all of you, no, for this achievement. Thank you.